Hey, Tech Imaginations followers, it's Susan here, and yes, it's been a while since I have been on video. I've really missed making videos and tutorials for all of you listeners out there. It's just been a busy several months with the holidays and my normal day-to-day job with my school and my church and taking care of family and all of that good stuff. I recently had the opportunity to attend the FETC, Future of Education Technology Conference, down in New Orleans a couple of weeks ago. So I do want to update my YouTube channel and make some more tutorial videos about the hot topics in educational technology that are important. I've got some tutorials coming out, so stay tuned over the next several days and few weeks, and you will see hopefully some updates from my YouTube channel right here. So find me on Twitter at SV314DWS or here on my YouTube channel, Susan Vincentz-Tech Imaginations. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.